I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public cycles in Korea. To begin your journey, you will need a smartphone and the official public cycle application. This app is your essential tool for accessing and managing your rides. It allows you to locate bicycles, unlock them, and handle all aspects of your rental experience seamlessly. Getting started is straightforward, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride across the city. This is the only way to access the system. Once you have the application, the next step is to register for an account. You can typically sign up using your email address or a linked social media account. The system will ask for some basic personal information for verification purposes. After registration, you will select a membership plan, which could be a one-time pass or a longer-term subscription, offering various benefits for frequent riders. This setup ensures secure and personalized access. With your account set up, finding a bicycle is simple. Open the app and use its integrated map to pinpoint the closest public cycle station. Once at the station, select an available bicycle directly within the application. You will then scan the unique QR code located on the bicycle or manually enter its identification number. The bicycle will then automatically unlock, allowing you to begin your ride immediately. When your ride is complete, simply return the bicycle to any designated public cycle station. It is crucial to ensure the bicycle is securely locked back into an available dock. After docking, confirm the return within the application to officially end your rental period. Your payment will then be automatically processed according to your selected membership plan, making the entire process convenient and hassle-free from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.